Hi friends, today I am going to tell you how to change the display name of your email address. This is the one of my email inbox. When someone send email to me, I can see the display name of their email address. For example, this display name is IT help desk. When I open, I can see the email address also. Uh, Display name and email address is difference. You can change your display name, but you can't change the email address. Okay, now I am going to demonstrate how to change the display name of your email address. You can go to your email inbox and you can see this gear icon, setting icons. Click on gear, then you can see all settings. Click on it, then you can click on accounts and import. Then this is, you can see send mail as. You can change this one, edit info. Okay, now you can type your display name. I type my name, David. Okay, then I can click save. You can see the your Google accounts name also. Instead of your Google accounts name, you can type the difference name here. I type David instead of my Google accounts. Okay, then click save. Okay friends, now I am going to compose a mail. Okay, test 1, test 1. Okay, now you can see the David. Previous my display name was IT help desk. I changed it as David, but the email address is same, but you can change the display name. Okay, so I want to show something. Okay, most my uh, friends tell me after changing the display name, uh, their uh, accounts name is not changing. Okay, you uh, you see that I changed the display name as uh, David, but still my accounts name is Google accounts name it previous one. So if you want to change the Google accounts name, you can change your Google accounts name here. Okay, you can manage your Google accounts, then go to personal info, then you can change the Google accounts name. I changed the accounts name David Honst. Okay, save. Okay, okay, now I am going to sign out and again login. Okay, now you can see the your uh, Google accounts name also change. If you want to change the Google accounts name, you can change Google accounts name. But if you want to change the uh, display name of the your Gmail accounts, you can change here. This will be useful for you. If you have any problem, you can comment below. Thanks for watching.